how to enable ultra wide camera in Snapchat. So you are trying to use your ultra wide camera on Snapchat and you are unable to do it. Don't worry, I have the solution. If you use iPhone, then it's pretty simple. There will be three options here. It's like the regular camera. If you press the 2x, it's gonna zoom in, and if you press the 5x, your wide camera is gonna be activated. However, if you use an Android, so for example, I have this Android. As you can see, it's an Android devices, and inside Android, as you can see, I have no such options. As you can see, there is no options. However, in my iPhone, I have this option. What about an Android? So basically in Android you don't get this ultra wide option inside Snapchat. Although I have an ultra wide camera, as you can see, I have an ultra wide camera, but however inside Snapchat this feature is not available in. This is only available in high end Samsung phones, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. On those phones you will get the ultra wide camera on inside Snapchat. However, if you have like mid-range Android or maybe something like that, you won't find this ultra wide camera. It depends, it depends. Snapchat is like in some models you will find the ultra wide camera, but in some models of Android you won't find it. So it depends upon your luck. Okay, so if you're lucky enough, then you will find a wide camera. But of course, if you are watching this video, then I think you don't have it, so you are watching this video, so unfortunately I think luck is not in your favor. So this is what it is. If you hope this information helped you, and yeah, thanks for watching and have a great day.